Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Super excited about coming back out to Clarksville, Tennessee. I'm going to be there on Monday, July 10th. And what we're going to be doing in the morning session is generate more leads for free. This is going to be a 3-hour workshop. The records for this class, 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent. You don't want to miss this one. Then we're going to take our lunch break. We'll come back 12:30 to 1:30, Chat GPT for your business. Probably the hottest topic out there right now, not only in real estate, not only in business, but just in the world, is Chat GPT. We're going to go in and understand exactly what it is, the good and the bad, and how you guys can use this for your business. Then from 1:30 to 3:30, video marketing for real estate. We all need to be doing video in our real estate business. This is going to show you how to do it and how to do it very effectively. Now, this is Monday, July 10th from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. You RSVP below. It's going to cost you $50 to attend. I am also in the process of getting these CE certified for the state of Tennessee. Actually just sent the paperwork off today. So fingers crossed, we should be good to go on all of that by July. And you guys will earn 5 hours of CE credit as well. This is open to all real estate agents, quite honestly, all business owners as well too. So invite your guests, invite your people in your database, and I'll see you guys on Monday, July 10th. Thanks.